If you're trying to break into cybersecurity and you don't have a home lab or a project to talk about in interviews, well, let me give you an idea that you can spin up for free using Microsoft's cloud environment. However, you do need a valid credit card though. By the end of this project, you will have your own mini SOC set up in the cloud. And we're talking about virtual machines, Microsoft Defender XDR, email security policies, and telemetry that is flowing into a centralized dashboard and alerts that you've created yourself. All of this is built on free trials. This is the kind of project that will be relevant during your job search because many SOC environments are actually using Microsoft security tools. If this is the first time that we're meeting, hello, my name is Steven, and I run a community called the MyDFIR SOC Community that helps aspiring SOC analysts get hands-on experience through real investigations using tools like the one that we're talking about today. So what exactly is this project? Well, you are going to be using Microsoft's free trials to build out a cloud-based SOC environment from scratch. And when I say from scratch, I really mean it. You're setting up everything yourself. You are making the decisions, you're configuring the tools, and you're understanding why things are set up the way they are. And here's what that looks like at a high level. First, you are going to spin up some virtual machines. This could be one or two inside Azure. These are going to act as your endpoints. Think of them as the devices that you'd be monitoring in a real SOC environment. Next, you're going to enable a Microsoft 365 E5 trial. Now, depending on your country, this trial may not be available to you for free. The E5 license is what's going to give you the full access to Microsoft's security stack, which includes Microsoft Defender for Endpoint, Defender for Office 365, and many more. From there, you are going to access your Microsoft Defender XDR portal. This right here is going to be your detection and response platform. It's where your alerts are going to show up, where your investigations happen, and where everything comes together. Then you're going to configure email security. You'll have your own set of mailboxes, configure protection, policies, and also have email telemetry flowing into your environment. This right here matters because phishing is still one of the most common attack vectors a SOC analyst has to deal with every day. So having email security in your project will show that you understand that. And finally, you're going to connect your telemetry sources and then create your own alert rules. This is where it gets really exciting because you're not just waiting for something to happen, right? You're watching your telemetry come in and then you're building detection rules based off of what you see. So why does any of this matter? Well, the experience alone of actually building this out will teach you things that you just can't learn from reading documentation. You are going to run into errors. You are going to misconfigure something, and you'll have to spend countless hours research and troubleshooting it. That process alone is where real learning happens. The other thing I want to mention is that Microsoft security tools are everywhere. There is a huge number of SOC teams that run Microsoft Sentinel, Defender for Endpoint, Defender for Office 365, Defender for X, Y, and Z, you name it. They got it. If you understand how to navigate that ecosystem, you're already more useful on day one than someone who's only studied theory. So, how do you actually get started? Honestly, I would start by checking to see if Microsoft 365 E5 trial is available in your country. If it is, then perfect. Then I would start with Azure Portal and click around. Get familiar with the portal itself and see where things live. Don't try to build the whole thing in one day. But if you want a structured path that walks you through the entire project step by step, that's exactly what the 30-day Microsoft Challenge covers inside the MyDFIR SOC community. It takes you from zero to a fully functional cloud SOC environment, and you'll know exactly how to explain every piece of it because you built it step by step. Link is in the description if you want to check that out. That is it for the video, and I hope that you found that informative. If you did, let me know by hitting that like button and subscribe if you want to. Remember to stay curious and do things differently.